Divorce and custody battles are never easy, but the team at WSM Law is helping women feel informed, supported, and empowered throughout the process. As a woman-owned firm, their approach goes beyond the courtroom, offering compassion, clarity, and confidence when clients need it most. Joining me is Katherine, Ebraheim, and Kelsey, Delmonte. Thank you both for being here with us today.
Thanks for having us.
Great to be here. So you work closely with women every day. So tell us, what do you find most rewarding about helping them through such a difficult time?
Yeah, I mean, believe it or not, I think a lot of us went to law school in the first place because we want to help people. So for me, the most rewarding thing is definitely helping women navigate a very scary transition, a lot of uncertainty. So helping understand what are their goals, what are their expectations, helping them navigate a very complex legal process, explaining things along the way, and really seeing them grow from being maybe more scared and uncertain at our initial consult to, by the end of their case, really having a new outlook on life, some regained confidence, and ready to take control of their lives.
Wow, so you get to really see them grow through this process also, which is fantastic.
Definitely.
So divorce can look very different than it did years ago. What are some common misconceptions about what a fair outcome really means?
So, I mean, I would say a lot of misconceptions out there are that everything's going to be 50-50, whether that is dividing assets or sharing parenting time with another parent. And, you know, maybe you'll have a parent who traditionally wasn't very involved in the children's lives. And, you know, it can be very scary for that parent who was very involved to have that other parent start to get more time with them. And so, you know, I think just understanding your rights puts you in a really good position. And, you know, it definitely helps you, you know, achieve your goals if we know what your goals are.
Yeah, so don't go into it just assuming it's going to be 50-50 because you guys can actually do what's best for the client.
Or assuming that you're going to get nothing. I think a lot of
Yeah.
women often hear from their spouse, you're not getting anything if you divorce me, you don't get a penny, and, you know, we can help you figure out
like,
what you're entitled to.
Exactly.
That's not necessarily true.
Exactly.
You've helped so many women rebuild after divorce. What moments remind you that your work truly matters?
I mean, just touching on what Kelsey has already said. I mean, just seeing how much our clients grow from, you know, the start of their case to the end. I mean, I have clients that reach back out to me. You know, some of them are going back to school. They're building their lives back up. I mean, I've even had clients come call me and tell me that they're getting married again.
Wow.
And so, you know, it's definitely tough to go through that transition period. But, you know, when you see them come out on top, you know, it's super rewarding.
And for anyone considering separation, what proactive steps can they take now to protect themselves both financially and emotionally?
Well, first of all, I'd say it's okay to be nervous. This is again, a complicated process with a lot to learn. So give us a call right away. We do free consultations. We can help you figure out exactly what is important to focus on, what's not. I think the earlier you can have that information, the better you can protect yourself. In terms of practical steps, getting your financial documents together, we're going to ask to see tax return information, bank statements. So the more of that you can have ready and bring to your consult meeting, that will definitely be helpful. And then I've recently seen a lot of clients using ChatGPT, which is fine, but I would say use it less for legal advice because the law really depends on your unique situation. But using it for things like what questions should I ask my attorney in this meeting? What are some things I maybe haven't thought about? And then using that to really help prepare and make sure that our meetings are very productive.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Katherine and Kelsey, for being here with us today and sharing this important information. It was so nice to meet both of you.
You too. Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back.